Hello, this is Mugdha Bapat. In the upcoming annual conference of STC India, I am conducting a pre-conference workshop designed to lead. With the advent of AI, repetitive tasks will be left to machines and humans will be busy with more meaningful tasks. Technical communicators won't be an exception. Leading cross-functional teams into producing iconic user experiences will be one of the roles that technical communicators can choose to play. In this intense seminar workshop, we'll learn design thinking the way IBM re-envisions it. It's called enterprise design thinking, and it is more suited to the scale and speed of modern enterprise. Through lots of examples and exercises, we'll learn the principles and implement the methods. We'll also discuss the design thinking badges that are available today. Only for a few days, the practitioner badge from IBM's enterprise design thinking is going to be free for everyone. Yes, absolutely free. We'll talk about that and prepare ourselves to earn that badge. We'll also talk about our individual workspaces and the challenges we may face in implementing DT there or even in leading the teams there. Let's try to convert these challenges into opportunities. If all this interests you, be there for my pre-conference track, Designed to Lead. Looking forward to a great day of learning with you all. See you there in Mumbai. Thank you.